The next thing that we're going to be talking about is information architecture. How information is organized, prioritized, and navigated on a website all fall under the information architecture umbrella. Information architecture is often called IA, and it's the practice of organizing, structuring, and labeling content so people can find information easily and understand it quickly. Put simply, information architecture is how a website is organized and how it makes sense to users. Information architecture is about structure, not visual style. It focuses on how content is grouped, how pages relate to one another, and how information is prioritized. It includes content organization. This is what content exists and how we group it together. Hierarchy. What's primary versus what's secondary. Navigation structure. How users move between pages. Labeling. Clear, user-friendly page names. And relationships between pages. You don't see information architecture the way you see colors or fonts, but you feel it. When a website is easy to use and nothing feels confusing, that's usually because the information architecture is solid. A helpful way to think about information architecture is through everyday examples. Think about a grocery store. Produce is usually near the entrance, aisles are labeled clearly, and checkout is at the end. You don't have to stop and think, you just move through the space. That's information architecture. When we think of a library system, the library is organized with categories, sections, and call numbers. Again, there is a ton of information within a library system, but because it is organized in a useful way, users are able to find what they need. Another example is a restaurant menu. Menus are usually separated into appetizers, mains, and desserts. Separating the content in a logical hierarchy makes it easy for users to find exactly what they need. When systems are organized well, you don't have to think, you just move and accomplish whatever it is that you need to. Websites work the same way. A site should guide users naturally without forcing them to guess where things are. When information architecture is done well, users can quickly answer questions like, where am I? What can I do here? Where should I go next? Good architecture helps users know where they are, find what they're looking for, understand what's important, and move through a site without confusion. When a site is done poorly, users feel lost, even if the site looks great. Poor information architecture leads to frustration, users getting lost, missed content, and higher bounce rates. Your goal as a web developer is to ensure that users can find what they need quickly and efficiently. Information architecture versus design. Design focuses on how things look. Development focuses on how things work. Information architecture focuses on what goes where and why. Information architecture is about structure, not visual style. It focuses on how the content is grouped, how pages relate to one another, and how information is prioritized. Information architecture comes before design and development. In information architecture, we ask questions like, what content does the site need? How should content be grouped? What is most important to users? How will users get from here to there? Would someone who's visiting the site for the first time understand how it's organized? Information architecture helps you plan your website before you start designing or coding. It allows you to create clear sitemaps, build logical navigation systems, and design papers that support real user goals. It's the foundation that everything else, layout, visuals, and code, rests upon. Think of information architecture as the blueprint of a website. When the blueprint makes sense, everything built on top of it works better. This is the foundation that everything else, layout, visuals, and code, rests on.